I want to retire here. That's my aim. There's only them that can stop me doing it. I'm 51 now. I've done this for like since I was 15. I've been in the army for 4 years. Apart from that, the army, this is all I've ever done. My name's Anthony Jones. I've been at Klöeber 5 years now. The role I've just took on now is basically taking jobs from survey to installation, to making sure everything runs smoothly. Coming from that role, which was a senior foreman, which was installation, with a team of 2, plus myself 3, and we basically fit every single product that we sell. And I'm going to try and bring that knowledge and ability into the contract side now. I'm based purely on site, so I've been to site today, so I'll get to site every day. Big fits are start them, and then leave the fitters on site, and then just make sure they've got everything they need. We're just basically looking through that everything is to a same foundation of what we're expecting the product to sit in. It's going to save you extra costs, because obviously we're there to help you put the foundation right, and everyone's happy at the end of the day. Because I'm from Birmingham, so I'm remotely, I travel. We don't get to see the lads quite a lot because I'm here, there and everywhere. We speak on the phone every day. Just brilliant. It's just the people, just everybody seems, all the different departments. You can walk into any department, it's like you've been here all the time. There's not brilliance in every company, I get that, but there is here. The passion it's unreal. Like a dynamic atmosphere, like we're a young run company that's literally thriving to get out there and give a product that no one else can give, like just get advanced. So if you look at a lot of companies out there, they all do the same things. We try and brand our own, we try and change things and offer a different service. And I don't feel there's another company out there that does that. So recently, I was off for 3 months, I broke my legs. I couldn't handle being off work, and they sent me a laptop home and they let me work from home. And I was being involved still, working with the surveyors. Just the support I got, the phone calls, the emails every day, it's how I FaceTime off the office. It was just brilliant. Not many companies will do that. We fitted a product about 19 years ago. I didn't fit it personally, but we went to, and the product was that good. And if you look at our reviews on Trustpilot, this actual client put a review on there. They kept the original frames and just changed the doors. Absolutely unbelievable. I praise the customers of the company. We got the chance to go back there